Here are 6 social media services you can offer to grow your clients' following. Number 1. Develop a content strategy or content plan. Be intentional around how you want to drive social media users to your client's website. There are lots of ways to be creative and effective on social media, including visual campaigns, contests, and blogging relevant to fun content. Try different things. Watch what drives referral traffic using analytics tools, and double down on the winners. Once you've settled on the best strategy for your client's niche, present them with a detailed plan that they can use to guide their social media initiatives after the store handover. Number 2. Create engaging content. With social media, the consumer is in control of what they see and what they ignore. Unless you've built trust with your audience, you're going to have a hard time getting them to pay attention to your brand. If you want to build trust with your audience, you need to provide content that is honest, interesting, and of value to them. One way you can do this is to offer to write blogs that enrich your clients' customers and prospects' lives through lifestyle tips or humor, rather than a direct sales pitch. Remember, don't just sell. Provide value first to build trust. Herschel Supply Company has become a master of social media engagement by sharing rich content that captivates a large audience. Their Instagram community has swelled to an impressive following of over 700,000, and their content, often generated and contributed by their local customer community, never fails to impress. By providing something of value, they are able to market their products to a more engaged audience. Here is a tip for you. Try highlighting any specials, discounts, and exciting offers that you have on social. This will drive more traffic to your client's website. Number 3. Set up a dashboard to follow influencers, competitors, and customers. Find and follow influencers in your client's industry or niche. Once you have a list of people who are thought leaders, present your findings to your client and encourage them to engage. At every opportunity, ask influencers to share products or refer their followers to your client's store. Influencers who share your content dramatically increase your client's organic reach. You can also save your client time and effort by offering to set up a social media dashboard for their business. A dashboard can help them track competitors, customers, and industry trends from different social networks, all in one place. Number 4. Pre-schedule content for multi-channel sharing. A great social media strategy is a multi-channel strategy, and that means hitting as many channels with as much meaningful impact content as possible. Posting topics one by one, however, is tedious and ineffective. So, once you've finished creating all that rich, engaging content for your clients, offer to set up a pre-planned content schedule with a scheduling tool like Hootsuite or Buffer. Scheduling helps your client maintain a steady flow of content so they are continually driving traffic to their online store from many different places. Number 5. Research hashtags to encourage users to drive campaigns. Social media consumers use hashtags to follow trends. Jump on board by sourcing and then adding relevant hashtags to your clients' posts. In addition to increasing brand awareness, hashtags also help track how your social campaigns are performing. Apparel company Herschel Supply collects and shares customer-generated media alongside their branded hashtag #WellTraveled. They've collected more than 40,000 posts from fans and followers using that hashtag, providing them with useful user-generated content and offering them clear insights into the interests of their consumers and the reach of their products. Number 6. Track and measure success. Now that you're listening, strategizing, engaging, and driving traffic back to your client's website, it's time to start measuring success so you can create detailed reports to send back to your clients. Use link shorteners. A bit like bit.ly or owl.ly. Measure clicks and engagement. Make sure to include campaign tracking codes on your links to compare social media referral traffic with that of other sources, such as SEO and AdWords. Tag individual campaigns and double down on the winners. Once you've collected enough data, send your client recommendations for areas they can improve in, or notify them of their successes. So, don't just say you're a social media expert, be one.